In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create notifications in Smartsheet. Whether you're managing a project, monitoring workflow, or just staying organized, setting up notifications can help you stay informed and on top of your tasks effectively. To get started with creating notifications, first, make sure you've got your Smartsheet open. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the Automation tab at the top of your screen. Click on this, and you'll find the option labeled Create Workflow. This is where all the magic happens in automating your notifications. Now, let's talk about triggers. Triggers are the events that set your workflow into motion. You can set a variety of these triggers based on what suits your needs best. For instance, you might want the system to notify you when new rows are added to your sheet. This trigger is particularly useful for tracking additions to a project or if you're collecting data and want to be alerted to new entries. Another type of trigger you might consider is when a cell or column changes. This option is excellent if you need to track updates or edits that might occur in your sheet, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks without you knowing about it. Alternatively, you can set your trigger based on a specific date. This is perfect for sending reminders ahead of important deadlines, meetings, or events. What's great about setting a date trigger is the flexibility it offers. You can choose a custom frequency, whether that's daily, weekly, or tailored to your specific timeline. Once you've set your trigger, the next step is to define an action. Actions are what the workflow will execute once the trigger conditions are met. One common action is to alert someone. This sends out a notification to specified individuals, ensuring that they are aware of the change or update. Alternatively, you can opt to send an email. This might be more appropriate if the notification needs to be more formal or require a bit more detail. Now, on to setting your recipients. This step is crucial as it determines who will receive the notifications. You have a few options here. You can select specific people, which is great when you know exactly who needs to be in the loop. If you find that different situations call for notifying different individuals, you might use a contact list column, a dynamic and flexible option. Dynamic placeholders can be particularly useful when trying to set up workflows for more general notifications that might need to reach different recipients depending on certain conditions. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to create notifications in Smartsheet. With this setup, you can ensure you stay informed and responsive without having to manually check for updates or modifications constantly. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. Remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.